Hello friends, by the end of this video, you will know exactly which machines to buy for setting up a millet pasta business factory and, more importantly, how to upgrade your factory when you want to expand your business. This video is a must-watch for anyone looking to set up a millet pasta business. When starting a millet pasta business, it's best to have a factory that can produce 150 kilograms of millet pasta per day. If you start with less, you'll likely need to upgrade your machines within 6 to 12 months. Starting with more can lead to unused capacity for a long time. Economically, it's wise to begin with a capacity of 150 kilograms per day for an 8-hour workday. Later, as your business grows, you have two options. If a 16-hour workday is not possible, upgrade directly to 450 kilograms per day after 2 to 3 years. If you can work 16 hours, first increase to 300 kilograms per day by working 2 shifts a day. Once you're fully utilizing the 300 kilograms per day capacity, and then consider upgrading to 450 kilograms per day. Now, let's delve deeper into the exact machines you need. When starting a millet pasta medium-sized business with a factory capacity of 150 kgs per day, you'll need several types of machinery. For processing, you will need a flour mill. The millet grains used to make pasta are pounded and then turned into flour, costing around 30,000 rupees. Then you will need mixing machine. It is used for mixing pasta dough. The capacity 30 kgs per hour, which will cost about 1 lakh rupees. And also, you need pasta extruder machine. A pasta extruder is a machine that pushes dough through a shaped opening to form different types of pasta. This capacity 50 to 60 kgs per hour, which will cost around 1,35,000 rupees. Then you will need drying rack or conveyor. It is used to dries the pasta. The capacity of drying rack or conveyor machine should be matches extruder, costing around 3 lakhs rupees. You will also need a weighing machine. It is useful for weighing millet pasta kilograms wise. Weighing machine costing around 10,000 rupees. Then you will need packaging machine. It is used to packages pasta into bags or packets, which should cost around 40,000 rupees. Do subscribe to Vyapar Coach channel. All the best.